All right, I want you to come with me on a journey as we review today's trades and how we utilized Pathfinder trading system in order to win two back-to-back trades with precision on the Nasdaq as it rose today on May the 8th. Let's dive in. So the morning started off with the Nasdaq rising, and you can see here we have a couple of pivot levels and a blue triangle, and these trigger in zones in the market where the market is pulling back and then finding support. Now we have a blue order block here, and there's a couple things that happen that we need to be really attentive to. But this morning, we actually didn't trade based off of this. We traded just looking at this, and this is the Pathfinder PSI. The PSI is a relative strength index based indicator with some modifications, and you're not able to find this exact setup literally anywhere else because I modified it in such a way that it's got some proprietary information and it's based off of some different information than basically anything else that's out there. So this is my own baby right here. Now you can see the market's rising. We're looking to get in, and our first entry was actually right down in this zone right here when the PSI was pushing the highs. It pulled back, and right in here when it broke this level and we had a solid line closure up, that right there is where we were looking to catch the next run, and that of course triggers the next run right here where we exited at the higher highs up in here for a beautiful scalp on the Nasdaq on the 1 minute. Now we waited for the next pullback to come here, and I told the team as long as we stay closed above the 20, we are looking to stay in. Well, there's a couple things that happened here. The market made a low, and so buyers start to come in and they put stop losses immediately below that low. What that does is that provides liquidity for smart money to come in, grab, and now they have an entry to then push the market higher. So you can see here, this candle comes down, it wicks below the low right here, grabs liquidity, hits stop losses, and then immediately makes a recovery back in the direction of to the upside where you can see with our blue candles. Right here, we also notice that this previous level on the PSI breaks and we have a closure higher, and right there we're looking to get in on this candle above, and again that starts our push higher where we exited out right here at the equal high in the market, not knowing if it was going to push higher or have a recovery or if it was going to reject here at an equal high. So we only took it from here to here for an amazing scalp. Two trades back to back, and a lot of money was made today just from those two simple entries in the market. That's all it takes is patience, discipline, and timing, because we don't get paid to work. We get paid to wait, and that's what we did today on Pathfinder. Two for two today to finish out the week with a couple amazing trades, and we're done, and we're back on Monday. Hope you enjoyed this video of the post-trading analysis and how we won 2 straight wins today with 0 losses and moved our accounts forward with precision using the Pathfinder trading system. If you're interested in learning the system, you can go to tradepathfinder.com, or you can send me a message and I'll get you set up. You don't need to have any prior knowledge. You don't need to have a lot of money to do this. This is a skill set that other people will pay you to do with their money once you know how to do it, and we'll teach you how to do that. I'm Graham Eldred, and this is Pathfinder Trading.